Why do you put a mic on me anyway?
That should be the booty lift. I think that fits beautifully.
So cool.
I think the modified waltz would be too fast. I think Foxy for sure. Okay, so it's actually a very long intro. Yeah, so that's where the Foxy should start. It's actually 30 whole seconds in.
Listening, I like that.
So, and it starts with that little like da, na, 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 da. So maybe we should do like kind of what we did with Ordinary. What do you think?
I like it. As someone who's nervous,
Yeah.
I get to look at you most of the time, so I'm not facing the audience.
Let's try 180s. Your mind is a stream of colors, and that's definitely a musicality moment. Your mind is a stream of colors. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah?
Should we... And then you go into...
Ah. Okay, wait, hold on. So that's making me think we should just do 2 sets of Foxy then and not worry about those 180 turns. Do, 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 do. So that we really have something explosive after this. Your mind is a field of colors. Da, 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 da. I like that. What do you think?
It fits very nicely. I like that I don't do much.
Yeah, exactly.
It's so cool.
That's what we're going
I'm like
for.
barely moving.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like I could just show up the
That's
day
what we're
off
going
and look
for.
like a rock star.
So I'm thinking actually that this goes into a ride.
Oh.
Just like one little rotation. Bah, bah. But see, it stays up. So we have like, I think 1 or 2 more 8 counts until it slows back down. I definitely think we should just repeat the Foxy basics when we get there. I love the ride.
Yeah,
I think that
good.
fits beautifully. Let's keep it simple for Jason, maybe just a waistful.
And now you get
Booty
the
lift.
undizzy.
Yep. Booty lift, set down, Foxy.
Okay.
Oh, that should be the booty lift.
Okay.
So we can take way more time. I think we can take 2 counts of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Then booty lift, I think.
Oh, but didn't they say they don't want this because he doesn't want to?
Yeah, but she said she would really love it. He just needs some convincing. So we're gonna talk about how to do it well.
How about we try from the booty lips? Booty lips. Why do you put a mic on me anyway?
I like the booty lips better. Like my love.
Do we want to do the breakthrough? I will just shut up.
Oh god. The what, baby? I think he's a little tired.